Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, The Marketing Archive, where we share content about digital marketing so you can quickly learn about this exciting world. Today, I will talk about something very important for any business or brand that applies digital marketing. A good strategy. In this video, I am going to explain what a digital marketing strategy is, why it is important to have one, and what are the steps to follow to develop it effectively. Imagine that you have a goal in mind, like reaching a specific destination. How would you get there? Would you take the first road you see and hope that it will take you directly to the place you want? Probably not. Instead, you would probably plan your route in advance, deciding which road to take and when to turn in which direction. The same goes for digital marketing. If you don't have a clearly defined strategy for your digital marketing efforts, you'll be taking a random road, not knowing where it will take you and whether it will get you closer to your goals. Instead, by developing a pre-strategy, you have a map that will guide you to your goals. So what is a digital marketing strategy? It is an action plan to achieve the marketing objectives of a company or brand using digital channels, which include platforms such as social networks, search engines, email, digital ads, among others. So why is it important to have a digital marketing strategy? Well, in today's digital age, more people are online than ever before. If your business is not present online, you are likely to miss out on opportunities to reach new customers and grow your business. Additionally, a well-developed digital marketing strategy can help you measure and evaluate your online marketing efforts, allowing you to adjust and improve your approach in the future. Therefore, a well-thought-out and executed digital marketing strategy can help a business increase brand visibility, reach new customers, and generate more sales. So how do we develop a good digital marketing strategy? Here are the key steps to take to develop an effective digital strategy. Define your objectives. Before starting any marketing campaign, you must be clear about what you want to achieve. Do you want to increase your online sales? Do you want to generate more traffic on your website? Do you want to increase your brand awareness? Once you have established your goals, you can work towards achieving them. Know your audience. Do your research and understand your audience. What are they interested in? What are you worried about? What problems do you solve for them? Knowing who your ideal customers are and how you can help them will help you create content that resonates with them and increase your chances of success. Research your competition and differentiate yourself. If you do not have a defined strategy, it is possible that you are doing the same as your competitors. By having a unique strategy, you can stand out and engage potential customers more effectively. Learn from your competitors. Research their digital marketing strategy. What are they doing right? What are they doing wrong? Create your content plan. Create a content plan that fits your goals and resonates with your audience. It includes different types of content, such as social media posts, blogs, videos, and emails. Choose the right platforms. Identify the digital platforms that are most relevant to your business and audience. Platforms can include social media, search engines, email, digital ads, among others. Implement and measure your tactics. Once you have your action plan, it's time to implement it. Be sure to measure your results so you know which tactics are working and which ones need tweaking. Adjust your strategy as needed. Don't be afraid to adjust your digital marketing strategy if you're not getting the results you expect. Regularly measuring your results will help you identify opportunities for improvement and ensure that you are reaching your goals. And there you have it. Now you know what are the essential steps to develop an effective digital marketing strategy. There is no loss. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel to continue learning about this topic. See you in the next video.